Hello, YouTube. I just siphoned some gas out of different Briggs. Just want to show you how this thing runs. I think this has got a run knock, actually. Because, see, it's really hard to pull it right now. I think the rod's inside the block. You'll hear if I can start it. I just don't want to push the power button when I'm starting it. Got a hole in the intake tube or whatever. It clamps onto the carburetor. There's a hole I can see right there. What a piece of junk Briggs. Fucking thing spitting gas out there too. Gotta hate Briggs. Piece of shit.